first quarter. First possession, mga pupunta para sa Elite Ballers. There's number 18. Now the pass. Number 31, Imperial. Kick out to number 9. Number 17. Hand off. Number 18. Lays off. No good. Imperial. Put back. Still one goal. Rebound mapupunta kay number 9. Lang court Kings. Number 22. Bring it down the letter now. Pass it over to number 6. Mendoza. Pass number 22. 10 on the shot clock. One scored pass. 5 to shoot. Ball stolen by number 1. Here's number 9. Up to number 17. Number 17. Traveling violation. Turnover. From downtown, 3 points. There's number 18, tries to answer back with his own 3. Not that time, rebound goes to number 22. That's number 6. Down the pass. Short step, no good, number 9. Put back is good, 2 points. 5 to running start for the Court Kings. There's number 9. De Leon now setting the play for the Elite Ballers. 10 on the shot clock. Number 18. The right hand up to number 31. Almost lost the leather. Shot clock violation. There's number 6, down the pass. No good. Number 9. That's number 18. Up to number 17. Number 17. 2 points. Number 6, pass number 22. Jumper won't go. And the ball is now on the offense. Here's number 18. Lays it up. Easy 2 points. And the lead is down to 1. Number 6, Mendoza on the drive. Here's the handle. Imperial getting the basketball. There's number 31. Pass it over to number 17. Number 17. Layup no good. Put that way, number 31. 2 points. Change of favor. 6 to 5. 1 point lead for the Elite Ballers. Here's number 6. Number 6 on the right. Ball deflected out of bounds, but the ball possession stays on the side of Court Kings. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Ball stolen. Number 9, easy 2 points. It's now a 3-point lead for the Elite Ballers. Here's number 29. Number 35, rather. Back to number 9. Up to number 6. Short tap is good. 2 points. There's number 31, Imperial. Elbow jumper, no good. Rebound by number 6. Pass it over to number 9. Number 9 up to number 6. Number 9. This is the point. Change favor. Ball stolen. There's number 6, the ball. Out of bounds, save ball. ahead and shoot. Out of bounds. There's number 17, pass to number 18. Number 18 fires from down, no good. Rebound by number 9. There's number 25. Stop and pop. No good. Number 9. There's a foul. Foul number. Substitution. Foul number 25. Substitution. Palit po. Shooter. There's number 27. Pass to number 4. Number 37 down low to number 85. Number 4, no good. Number 7, pass to number 20. Back to number 7. Out to number 20, number 3 at the window. Fade away jumper, no good. Number 29, put back, block short. There's number 27, pass number 19. Jumper is good for number 4, 2 points. Rebound number 85. That's number 27. Fires from down, no good. Number 20, pass to number 7. Out and pass to number 16. Layup, no good. Put back by number 7, 2 points. Number 4, 2 points. Out the pass, number 27. On the other end, pitch it up, no good. Rebound number 3, pass number 20. Number 20, bumping up. The jumper is too strong. Rebound goes to number 8. Number 8, jumper, 2 points. Number 4, 2 points. Timeout, the lead. Number 27 getting the steal. Number 27 layup, no. Rebound number 16. Out of bounds, stolen over. There's number 27. Pass over to number 85. Off to number 4. Troopers, good, 2 points. Number 19, 2 points. 9-point game under a minute remaining in the first quarter. Here is number 7. Looking for an pass. Pass it over to number 3. Up to number 29. No good. Number 85. Pass it over to number 8. Down to number 4. Lays it up. No. Number 4, 2 points. On the shot clock. 10 seconds remaining. Number 7, no. On number 29, there's personal foul. 3 seconds remaining.